numerous devices around us embracing semiconductors. What is the key to making these products? Error-free manufacturing process? Advanced technology research? Or is it an effort for cost reduction? Even more important to us is humans. A pure passion for the environment, nature, and people. The humanity of MTI that thinks of people makes your happiness. Using HyperPro products in Korea. That means using MTI products. We, holding 80% share of Korean market, we have been involved with the development of the domestic semiconductor industry for 15 years. HyperPro, the main product, produces the best results with dilution ratio, optimized for various environments with strong cleaning power. It is an eco-friendly product that is designed as a neutral, non-ionic system by preventing corrosion caused by galvanic cell. Hyperstar is the premium product that forms the coating layer, which minimizes heat damage, crack, etc. during the laser grooving process. It gets cleanly eliminated during rinsing and prevents and peel-off effects since it's water-soluble. Also, besides HyperMax, HyperClean, HyperBlue, etc., development and production of MTI chemicals are constantly being progressed even today. Recently, we made innovative products. They are MAC SP and MAC RM. MAC SP forms a barrier layer on a sensitive device, such as image sensor, which fundamentally prevents the deposition of particles from sawings and other processes. Also, it's possible to perfectly protect the surface from scratches and other damages. After the process is complete, the barrier layer can be removed at any time with a specialized detergent. EMI Shield Tape is a functional adhesive tape that can withstand the process of shielding electromagnetic waves by using sputter or spray method at package level. Mold release film that can be easily applied and implemented on the EMC surface of semiconductor or fingerprint recognition package. An anti-static release film that maintains the basic characteristics and has a good microcurrent conduction. A UV dicing tape for fixing the wafer with a high adhesive force. Then reduce adhesion and peel off without contamination in the dicing process. The thermal spreader sheet, which is mainly used for various devices with OLED and boasts point shock absorption, EMI shielding function, and high heat dissipation and diffusion, will strengthen MTI's global presence and capabilities. Various products from MTI start with R&D Research Center. We make continuous investments in technology research to ensure that we are constantly challenged and innovative without being bound to the present. Continuous development of various products such as tapes, films, and materials, which are applied to adhesive materials such as semiconductors and display chemical materials, is underway today and will be around us tomorrow. MTI has realized all the technologies for making semiconductor process materials. This technology will eventually be used for environment, nature, and our happiness. MTI's humanity creates your happiness. MTI.